Welcome to your home for financial news and trading expertise. Zen Trading Mastery. Hone your concentration and focus your energy on seeing the market for what it really is. There are signs everywhere that inflation is really taking a big bite out of the global economy. Governments are waging economic war while companies are teaming up to try to mitigate the impact where they can. Will recession lead to mass unemployment with companies cutting back? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Let's review the recent highlights of happenings. Exxon, Chevron, Shell report record profits on high energy prices. Oil giants post $46 billion in combined profit in the latest quarter, as they cashed in on rebounding energy demand. The energy industry's windfall followed a spike in prices, resulting mostly from Russia's invasion of Ukraine and a global economic rebound from the coronavirus pandemic. Exxon Mobil and Chevron, the two largest energy companies in the United States, said recently that profits rose to record levels in the second quarter as they continued to reap the benefits of soaring oil and gas prices. Exxon reported an income of $17.9 billion recently, more than 3 times what it earned in the same quarter a year ago. Revenue at the energy giant jumped to $115.6 billion, from $67.7 billion a year ago. Chevron's performance was similar, with profit more than tripling to $11.6 billion as sales rose to $65 billion, compared with $36 billion a year ago. MX, the startup competing against Plaid to help connect financial institutions and fintech players, is naming PayPal executive Jim Maggots its new CEO. Maggots is an early 2-decade PayPal veteran who was recently senior vice president for Omni Payments Solutions. He replaces Shane Evans, who was named interim CEO recently as the company prepared for an IPO or possible sale. MX founder Ryan Caldwell said, "We're excited about the response we've had with Jim because he's a longtime leader in this space who understands not only the world of payments, but the world of data and connectivity and knows what MX is all about." Like rivals Plaid and Yodlee, MX has benefited from and helped fuel the growth of the U.S. fintech ecosystem in recent years. The company uses software called application programming interfaces to help banks and fintechs communicate securely about transactions and account data. KuCoin becomes the first centralized exchange to launch NFT (ETF) to support blue-chip NFT investments. KuCoin, a global cryptocurrency exchange, has announced the launch of its NFT ETF trading zone recently. The new product aims to improve the liquidity of NFT assets and lower the investment threshold of blue-chip NFTs for over 20 million users. The launch of the NFT ETF makes KuCoin the first centralized crypto exchange supporting such instruments. KuCoin is also the first market player to introduce a USDT-dominated ETF product that marks particular underlying blue-chip NFT assets. The new trading zone will make top NFTs accessible to a broader range of investors seeking to acquire blue-chip NFTs. In partnership with Fracton Protocol, the KuCoin NFT ETF trading zone will first list 5 NFT ETFs covering Hibake, Hipunks, HiSand33, HiCoda, and HiENS4 as underlying assets as a beginning. Most of the activity on the Bitcoin (BTC) network now happens during European and US business hours, with a notable drop in the share of activity happening during Asian hours, a new report from the crypto analytics firm Coinmetrics has found. Judging from the findings in the report, use of the Bitcoin network in Asia fell markedly around July 2021, a date that corresponds roughly with a major crackdown on Bitcoin mining in China. The reduced usage in Asia led to the US and Europe gaining a larger share of the overall usage. Since the beginning of 2022, Bitcoin usage has been especially concentrated around early US business hours and the late hours of the working day in Europe. The report came to the conclusion by looking at when changes to on-chain wallet balances were made for different crypto assets. The activity was then segmented into the official trading hours of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, Asia, the London Stock Exchange, Europe, and the New York Stock Exchange, US. Great trading is like sitting calmly in the eye of an enormous storm. Being calm under pressure and performing consistently are the key superpowers of the best traders on the street. Good trading exists in the ether. You only know it when you do it. You can only be it when you see it. See the market, be the market, my friends. Peace.